represent the great vernacular Kshatriya community of South India, which is a single largest community not only in Tamil Nadu state. To take all over India, single largest community in a particular state is only 100 people. Not many people know that. Now our community is most backward, so we have a lot of problems facing us, for which we seek the support of the government. Actually, our people supported Ms. Jayalalitha, and then she became the Chief Minister, not only now, even earlier, by the support of Pranab Mukherjee. But unfortunately, our demands are not being considered, our reasons not known to us, but we represent through this meeting by a resolution. Actually, we have made two big, important resolutions. The first resolution is that we should be given separate reservation within the total reservation of 20% of MBC, like what they had given to Arundhati's and also Muslims. But we need 15% because our population is, if you compare to those communities, they are 3-4 times bigger. And they take only 15% of the 20%, separate reservation within the reservation until such time the census is completed, by which time people will know, people will come to know. Right now it's known, but people don't accept it. Now they have to accept it after the census. No, if you go by our population, we should get at least 25%. That will be known later. For the time being, we want 15% separate reservation for us within the total reservation of 20%. Now that's the main resolution of this state. We have also asked for a separate, we need a board, like Waqf board. Waqf board is for Muslims. All the properties of Muslims are put together and then within a framework under law, legal framework, and then it is called Waqf board. Like that we want Vanyaguna Kshatriya communities, public property, that is our own property. The board to take care of the interests of Vanya people and the money that has been given by our forefathers. And that's not any government board, it is a private board by the government, by law, so that Vanya is fully managed. That is the second resolution. Mr. S.S. Ramswaran Padayachi. They have also asked for a Manimandam in Viluppuram. Ramswaran Padayachi's Manimandam can be in Madras. He is the leader of the entire community. But the other Manimandam we are asking for is for the people who have laid their lives, who have rendered human service to the community by giving up their life in this separate reservation agitation that was made in 1989. 22 people lost their lives by police firing, and those people hid from near Viluppuram and other places.
அவர்களுக்கெல்லாம் நம்முடைய வண்டிய மக்கள் சார்பாக வண்டிய சொல்லாருக்கு சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துள்ளோம். இப்பொழுது ஐயா அவர்களுடைய முதலில் மௌனாஞ்சலி செலுத்திவிட்டு அதற்கு பிறகு இறுதி கூட்டத்தை தொடங்கலாம் என்று அவருடைய அவரை முதலில்